Workers inside and outside the four walls rely on their mobile devices to access business-critical applications. They also need solutions to collaborate with coworkers, supervisors, or other remote team members to get the job done. Workforce Connect PTT Pro enables superior workforce collaboration over Wi-Fi or cellular networks, provides push-to-talk audio capability as well as enterprise-class messaging, which supports text and image capability. Workforce Connect PTT Pro, the worker doesn't need to carry multiple devices. It provides a solution of audio and messaging capability and data services to get the job done. It also provides location-based services to track delivery teams or remote workers and to assign the closest worker with the best skill set to get the job done. And with features like Message of the Day running on our Inner Working Gateway solution, you can now stream audio and video messages to your workers that usually don't get assigned an email. Workforce Connect PTT Pro benefits any industry or environment where staff collaboration is needed. It can scale from a few users to a mid-sized business with hundreds of users up to an enterprise-class business distributed across a number of sites with thousands of users. It provides the voice and messaging collaboration that they require, and it's cloud-based, so it's scalable from today and provides investment protection for years to come. The Workforce Connect PTT Pro solution is downloadable from the Google Play Store or the Apple iOS App Store. Upon download, you need to go to your Zebra reseller to purchase a license and activation ID. Upon application, it's ready to go out of the Zebra cloud services, or if you prefer, we can also support installation and configuration into your customer Microsoft Azure environment as required.